Hello guys, this is Sukhada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 9th and 10th October 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel EduCARE Official, where regular quiz and exam updates are uploaded. Union Minister Anurag Thakur nominated Law Minister Kiren Rijiju to join the kick-off the Dream campaign. The Union Sports Minister Anurag Thakur has nominated the Law Minister as well as actor Ajay Devgan and athlete Neeraj Chopra to join Kick of the Dream campaign. The eminent personalities have been nominated to show support for Indian female footballers who have been participating in the FIFA Under-17 Women's World Cup for the first time. The Union Minister Anurag Thakur in a tweet said that every Indian should join and cheer for our girls. Under-17 Women World Cup will be held in Bhubaneswar, Goa and Navi Mumbai from October 11, 2022. Renowned writer Dr. Temsula Au passed at the age of 80. Former chairperson of Nagaland State Commission for Women, Academician and a renowned writer and Padma Shri, Dr. Temsula Au passed in Dimapur at the age of 80. After her demise, Prime Minister Narendra Modi took to the microblogging site Twitter to condole the death of the Naga literary luminary. She was awarded with Padma Shri in the year 2017 and was known as a leading literary voice in the Northeast. Au was also a recipient of the Nagaland Governor's Award for the Distinction in Literature and Sahitya Academy Award and the Meghalaya Governor's Gold Medal. Government to organize PM National Apprenticeship Meals from October 10. The Ministry of Skill Development and Entrepreneurship is organizing Pradhan Mantri National Apprenticeship Melas across 280 locations in 28 states and union territories. Several local businesses have been invited to be a part of the Mela to provide the local youth with an opportunity to shape their careers through apprenticeship training. The participating companies will also have a chance to meet the potential apprentices on a single platform and choose the applicants on the spot. The melas are held on the second Monday of each to increase the employability of the India's youth. India will host the diplomats of the United Nations Security Council along with the other member states for a key meeting on the Counter-Terrorism Committee in Mumbai and New Delhi. The meeting will be held on October 28 and 29, 2022. Notably, India is currently the chair of the UN Security Council Counter-Terrorism Committee for the year 2022. India's permanent representative to the UN, Ruchira Kamboj, informed that UN CTC members will also pay homage to the victims of the horrific 26/11 terror attacks in Mumbai. New combat uniform of Indian Air Force unveiled at the Air Force Day Parade in Chandigarh. Starting with the current affair quiz for the day, the first question for the day is, which village has been declared as India's first 24/7 solar powered village? The next question for the day is, when is the World Mental Health Day observed? The next question for the day is, Government of India has approved the creation of new weapon systems branch for which armed force? Mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving the correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. The last question for the day is, Made in India drone has been manufactured by which of the following company? That's it, guys. Shout out to Bhavesh Marathe, Ruju Shah, Computer Man, Neha, and Heta for giving the correct answers in the previous video. The answers to the questions asked in the previous video are as follows. What is the theme of the World Space Week 2022? The correct answer is space and sustainability. Next question was, What is the name of the new super tech initiative launched recently by the RBI Governor Shashikanta Das? The correct answer is Daksh. That's it, guys. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel and share this video with your fellow colleagues. Also, for classroom, live class, recorded lectures, books, and ebooks facilities, contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more information, download the app. The link is given in the description box below.